I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can build a Shopify store in just 2 minutes. First off, you want to go to the shopify.com site here and we can click on start a free trial to immediately start the process. Let's just do sign up with email. Let's enter in our email and then also enter in our password like this. Let's create a Shopify account and then let's re-enter our password. After that, you can just click on I don't want help setting up so we can have all of the control to ourselves. Let's just wait for it to load. And that's it. Your Shopify store is now set up. If you want to see what your Shopify store looks like, go to Sales Channel and Online Store and go to Themes. On Themes, let's just wait for it to load. But basically, this is where your store will be. Now you can see this is what our store will look like, right? It's still setting up. So let's just wait for it to load. Great. Once it's loaded, you can click on Customize here. Now on Customize, you'll see this is what your store will look like. Your store is built, right? Now, if you want to customize this, you can mess around with the sidebar here. You can add section here. For example, if I want to add an image banner, I can click on that and it'll add an image banner just like this. I can change the title, I can change the button, all of these stuff. I'm going to exit for now. I'm going to leave the page. Now, if you want to change the themes, you can do that as well by scrolling down here. And there's a couple of other themes you can pick from. You can also add in products from here. There's also discounts here as well. These three are the essentials, I think. Online store, discounts, and also the products. But after you start selling, you might want to look at the other dashboard here as well, like customers, content, analytics, and also marketing. I should also tell you that there's apps on Shopify. So if there's any function that you don't have internally or something that's not natively supported by Shopify, of course, you can install it yourself by searching the app. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.